Hello and welcome to the Moralis channel. This is Create a Web3 Game. When creating a game, we first need some inspiration for what game we'll create. Let's start with the idea of our favorite game. Players enjoy games and pick their favorites for a variety of reasons. Games connect with you emotionally, they fit your motivations as a game player, and some perfectly match your gamer type.
What is up everyone, I'm Jay, a YouTube content creator here at Moralis. My game player type is a gardener. My favorite game of all time is the PGA 2K golf series. It would actually be very cool to start seeing Web3 elements pop up in the PGA 2K games. Things like online tournament scores could be stored easily on-chain, available for anyone to see how different players who are playing online are performing at any given time.
You can bring the power of Web3 and blockchain to your Unity projects with Moralis. Let's see how we pick our favorites and learn more about a favorite game. Hi, my name's Sam. I'm a Unity certified developer at Moralis. I have over 20 years of game dev experience and more than 10 years experience as a digital nomad. I love spending time in nature and practicing sports, as well as drawing, painting, and making music. Each player's game motivations and their gamer type will help determine what are their favorite games. Bartle's taxonomy includes socializers, explorers, achievers, and killers. This perspective puts players on a spectrum. Do they enjoy acting or interacting more? Are they more invested in the world or other players? The latest research from Quantic Foundry has identified 12 gamer motivations, which determine the 9 gamer types. Following this, we see that your motivation defines your type, which defines which game or games would be your favorites. The gamer motivation includes what are the aspects of gameplay that really resonate with the player. These include destruction, in-game excitement, competition between players, and more. Where do you see yourself in these motivations? Then from those motivations, you can find your gamer type. Most players have one type or perhaps 2. My types include Acrobat, with challenge and discovery being motivations there, as well as the Slayer type, where having a story-driven experience is important to me. Which of these gamer types in orange do you think work for you? At quanticfoundry.com, I put a link in the description to the specific survey. You can answer a few key questions and find out what your motivations are and what is your gamer type. Check that out. And in addition to the perspectives we've seen there from Bartle's taxonomy, as well as Quantic Foundry, with fresh eyes we look at Web3 and we see us as players along a spectrum, including investors, earners, and traditional players. So what's your favorite game? I asked friends and coworkers. Let's see one example of a favorite game.
What is up everyone, I'm Jay, a YouTube content creator here at Moralis. If you've watched our channel before, you're probably familiar with my face. I make a lot of educational content on how anyone can jump into the Web3 development world using the awesome tools that Moralis provides. Now outside of work, I enjoy playing a lot of different sports. In the winter, I usually play ice hockey, and in the summer, I play golf. Now when I was younger, I also used to play these sports on a video game console, but as I've got older, this hobby has kind of faded away, but I still do enjoy it every now and again. After I took the game player type test, I found out that my game player type is a gardener. And if I look at my cheat sheet over here, what that means is I enjoy quiet, relaxing task completion with accessible gameplay that focuses on completing levels and collecting stars or trophies. And I couldn't agree with this more. When I play, I do it to de-stress, relax, and play at my own pace. I get that winning feeling from winning simple games or tournaments, or getting rewarded some trophies or achievements in-game. As I alluded to before, my favorite game of all time is the PGA 2K golf series. Why I love this game so much is because I get to play my favorite pastime activity, which is golf, on the console as well, from the comfort of my own home and sofa. In this game, I get to play with the top leading players of the world, but I actually do enjoy creating my own avatar, deciding what clubs they should use, and then going into tournaments and improving the playability of this character by leveling them up. It would actually be very cool to start seeing Web3 elements pop up in the PGA 2K games. In my opinion, things like online tournament scores could be stored easily on-chain, available for anyone to see how different players who are playing online are performing at any given time. This also opens up the opportunity for the community to start creating companion apps where you could have leaderboards or statistics of current players. Then an easy thing also is starting to reward users with NFTs, where you can also build your own trophy cabinet and show off to your friends how well you're doing in the game.
Moralis for Web3. Moralis is a full set of APIs that connect any tech stack to the blockchain networks, and Moralis offers SDKs for many popular platforms. SDK support includes React Native, gaming SDKs like Unity, and the web as well. Moralis is cross-chain, and Moralis addresses the needs of Web3 games and dapps, including authentication and working with smart contracts. It's fully compatible with Web3 tools and services, and integrates with your favorite backend systems. And for gaming, Moralis brings the power of Web3 to your favorite game platforms. Unity's flexible development offers amazing opportunities to create top-quality games and interactive experiences. You can bring the power of Web3 and blockchain to your Unity projects with Moralis. And Moralis includes complete learning resources, including full documentation and project information, workshops, YouTube videos like this one, and everything you need to get started. With inspiration like today's favorite game, together with Moralis, what will you build next? Moralis offers world-class Web3 workshops. Level up your Web3 development skills by building along to unique projects. Check it out today and join our next workshop. We've seen that when creating a new game, we can be inspired by our favorites. Our favorites are determined by our motivations and our unique player type, and each of our favorite games can be improved and expanded with Web3 functionality. Using the Moralis SDK and your favorite development platform or game engine, you can use that inspiration and get started on your next project today. Let me know in the comments below your answer to this question. It's your comments and feedback that help drive the types of content we create. To enjoy more content like this, like, subscribe, and click that notification bell. Check out docs.moralis.io to get started today. Thanks.